Hi, today I'm going to be taking you through a 1978 48 Whiticar Custom Sportfish. She's located in Jacksonville, Florida. Currently we're asking $399. In 2004 or 5 she got a complete refit at Whiticar Boatworks in Stewart. It was including new engines, new generator, fuel and water tanks, wiring, plumbing, electronics, interior paint, and running gear. A view from the stern. The hull is a moon dust Alex Seal paint. You see from the bow, she's just got beautiful custom lines. She's cold molded, made with triple diagonal mahogany plank with glass over. Gives her lightweight, speed and strength, and high fuel efficiency. The cockpit is painted with the Murray. I'm sorry, with the moon dust. Murray Brothers fighting chair. You have a transom fish box that has an Eskimo ice chipper that dumps into it. Tuna door on the starboard side. Live well in the sole. Tackle center underneath the stairs. And she does have a tonneau cover. Teak cover boards. Fresh and raw water wash down, dockside water. .30 amp and 50 amp service. The teak's kept in storage. And the beautiful teak tackle. Coming up to the fly bridge. You have two very nice custom Scopinich chairs. Single lever controls. The Cummins electronic gauges. She's got Cummins QSM11s. She'll do about 25 knots, burn 38 gallons per hour per the owner. She has a Furuno suite of electronics, autopilot radar, a 12-inch and 7-inch redundancy displays for GPS chart plotter. On the port side, she has a bench. In forward of the console, she's got another forward-facing bench. Three side isinglass. And the reels up top. As we walk into the salon, you've got engine access under the center of the salon. Let's take you down below. As you will note, it's been all grip painted here. And the owner keeps this boat, including the engine room, in just immaculate condition. That's a Northern Lights 10 kW. Reversal oil change system. $12K and $16K BTU cruise air systems. That's your Dometic 600-pound Eskimo ice chipper system. She also has an FCI water maker 1,200 gallon per day system. Again, as you see, she's just in immaculate condition. Okay, let's take you into the salon. Again, all the interior, the teak interior was redone in 2004-2005. To port, we have an L-shaped settee with beautiful teak table. Pleated Roman blinds. U-shape island galley forward. On the starboard side of the galley, you've got your entertainment, KVH satellite system, and U-line ice maker system. And the Marantz system is really pretty impressive. Blu-ray disc and a total AV system with Marantz speakers in the ceiling. In the galley, you've got an LG television, Gaggenau cooktop, under-counter refrigeration, Sub-Zero, freezer, and 2 refrigerators. And on the starboard side, you've got 2 barrel chairs and a storage caddy. Okay, sorry to spin you around here, but we're going to go below. She's a 2-head, 2-stateroom layout. As we swing to the port side midship, here is the master. With hanging locker. Samsung television, an en-suite head with Korean counters. By the way, all the counters in the boat are Korean counters. Stall shower. Electric heads. They're Dometic. And also underneath the berths you have lots of storage and drawers. The teak work in here is just beautiful. Across you have a vanity dresser. Now we're going to head forward. We're passing a locker on our starboard side, but forward we have vanity sink and an over-under. Again, the cabinetry and the teak work, the joinery, it's just beautiful. Now, vanity sink here, if we go back towards the salon on our starboard side, is a day head that also services the guest stateroom we just left. It's got a stall shower. Again, the teak work in this boat is just impressive. If you have any questions or you'd like to set up a visit, please call me, Chris Enfield, Denison Yachting, 561-789-2189. Thanks, and be safe.